ये हमारा मैगी है, ये हमारा टीम है, और यहाँ पे स्नोफॉल हो रहा है।
Rhododendrons and
Do you
karu.
need this?
Yes. Yeah, but we don't pluck the
Yes.
flower out of the tree. We just do this.
Hi, good morning friends. So today is day 3. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಶೋಕಾ ಟು ಜಾಂಗ್ರಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. We started our trek at 8:30 a.m. Weather is cool. So ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 7.5 kilometers ಇದೆ. Around 9,600 feet altitude alidvi. So now we'll be reaching around 12,800. So high altitude. Already we are acclimatized ಆಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Let's see. You can see the beauty of this. This is how the track is. This is the track. ಹೀಗಿದೆ. After a healthy breakfast, we are trekking in this track kind of a thing. Railway track ತರ ಇದೆ, but incline ಇದೆ. Very nice.
Today we are getting to see different sights, and today it's like a steps, wooden steps.
Morning breakfast, we had oats after a long time. Parota, then omelette, egg burji we had, and then black tea, a healthy breakfast. So just supporting us now. Nice.
Today's part is really a romantic walk today because we're seeing so many colorful flowers, and the track is very nice. It's just a wooden track ahead, so every day it's a different track to see, and really nature gives us so many treats if we are on with the nature. So let's go ahead to Zongri today. Yay!
Huh.
I think we are going difficult task.
Yes.
It's such a difficult thing.
Oh, come on, keep moving. Yes. So day 3 is difficult truck, highly difficult. So oxygen is less. Difficult truck. Come on, good going, keep going. Very steep.
So after a very tedious trek, and I think you can make out by our breath how exhausted we are. It's too cold, hands are freezing. We reached a flat road finally where we can see our leading trekkers. We're going there far off, and now here we will be resting for a while, wear our fleece and move it. This was the best part and also the killer part of the trek of today. So on the way we saw what is
Shingalila range.
Shingalila range, and we could view our campsite in Pidang, not campsite exactly. We could, just the lunch spot. So we had reached so high, feeling proud also, cold. Okay, so this is our first snowfall on the way to the Zongri. See, I think you can see it on the camera. This is really amazing. So we are still on the way to Zongri, experiencing this mild snowfall. Amazing. We have reached the Zongri, altitude of 3,950 meters. After a very tedious walk, but it was really good experience. But you need to always keep in mind to have layers when you're in the cold. And we have reached Zongri, and Karu is with a chai. All happy faces. Congratulations. Maggie.
So we are at
Zongri.
18,000 slightly intense truck. Felt good.
Oh, that was not slightly intense, but very intense for me. But it's fine. Very good. भैया हमसे भी स्पीड से पहुंच गए. So after a very tedious trek, we have reached the Zongri, and everybody is fine and happy and smiling as ever. So
हमको भी बोलना है प्लीज।
हाँ बोलिए बोलिए, वन बाय वन.
बहुत प्राउड महसूस कर रहा हूँ कि
करो,
मैंने ये
tell
ट्रैक इधर
something.
तक कंप्लीट किया है बिना गिरे पड़े।
Tell
यस थैंक यू एंड थैंक्स माय ऑल फ्रेंड्स जिन्होंने मुझे हेल्प
Enjoyed
किया।
a lot.
Okay, next.
Hi. So it was really difficult, and I'll suggest that whoever watches this video, please don't carry heavy weight.
Yeah. Sir, give us some
I would like to
inspiration.
say that this is not Gochela trek, it's Godzilla trek. Because this is the ultimate and nobody
Yes,
should
killer.
make the mistake of trekking this for the first time like I did.
Tino.
Same experience. Yeah. But anyway, it's fine.
Okay, anyway we are.
Finally I
Sameer.
find mad people like me. I am
Crazy
thankful.
people. June.
Oh my god.
June or Jamun? Which one?
So it was a very difficult trek and मेरा तो बैंड बज चुका है. So yeah, be prepared. Come.
Yeah. Okay, next.
The trek is really good. You should carry some good clothing. Like me.
Okay, next.
It is a good trek, very enjoyable. And it is snowing right now. It is much more beautiful than expected.
Oh God, sorry.
The level was really tough today. And but it was okay.
Jay.
So it was fantastic day of the track, the nice endurance test, and we enjoyed a lot.
Yeah. Everybody with me. Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Last one.
दिस इज स्नोफॉल। हम लोग यहाँ अभी पहुँचे हैं और स्नोफॉल हो रहा है और हम मैगी खा रहे हैं। मैगी खा रहे हैं हम। ये हमारा मैगी है, ये हमारा टीम है और यहाँ पे स्नोफॉल हो रहा है।
Okay, one for you, one for. You don't hit me.
We started our trek at 4 a.m. in the morning. So from Zongri, we reached Zongri top. So this is the view. We have come here for the sunrise. There's some beautiful mountains. It's 360-degree mountains over here. You can see the world's third highest Kanchenjunga. So feeling so happy climbing these heights. Thanks to my gurus, my Ashtanga gurus, to climb these heights. Feeling so happy about this. Yes, the beautiful sunrise at Zongri top. See the mountains, it's looking golden. What a view this is. Take a look. 360-degree mountain view. Very beautiful. What a view this is. Fantastic.
पीछे ब्लैक काबरू के पीछे जो है ना बराबर
See the sunrise.
क्या हाँ तो उधर नॉर्थ होगा हाँ वो बराबर वही ना
Only white-filled mountains. That is Kanchenjunga.
हम लोग 3000
तो ये पूरा रेंज दिख रहे हैं, इसको कस्तूरी रेंज बोलते हैं। जो ये छोटा सा पीक दिख रहा है इसको माउंट नरसिंह बोलते हैं। ये नॉर्थ पार्ट है सारे के सारे। और ये जो छोटा छोटा तीन दिख रहे हैं वो लामा लमेनी या थ्री सिस्टर पीक बोलते हैं। और इधर से आया ये जो पुनु है और ये तेंजिंग खांग है, यहाँ पे एक्सपीडिशन होता है। और ये जो पॉइंटेड वाला दिख रहा है ये माउंट पांडिम है। और पीछे जाके एकदम छोटा सा दिख रहा है कैमरा में वो है माउंट सिम्बो। और इधर आके जो वाइट रेंज बना हुआ है वो कंचनजंगा है। और सीधा आके इस तरफ जो ये सबसे आगे काला दिख रहे हैं वो ब्लैक काब्रू है। और ये पीछे जाके एक डोम जैसा बना हुआ है, इसको काब्रू डोम बोलते हैं। उसके सीधा पीछे एक छोटा सा पॉइंटेड दिख रहे हैं वो है रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है काब्रू नॉर्थ। काब्रू नॉर्थ। और ये ब्लैक काब्रू के सीधा पीछे दिख रहे हैं काब्रू साउथ। और ये है रातुंग पीक। और यहाँ का सबसे नज़दीक का ग्लेशियर वहीं पे है, सो इसको रातुंग ग्लेशियर बोलते हैं। और उसी के नीचे सीधा नीचे ये जो पहाड़ के सीधा पीछे है HMA बेस कैंप जो हिमालयन माउंटेनियरिंग इंस्टीट्यूट है। और ये बाकी का पूरा है सिंगलीला रेंज। और ये व्यू है फ्रॉम गोचला फ्रॉम जोंगरी व्यू।
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
The same day after visiting the Zongri top, we headed to Thansing via Kokchurang. A very important tip to give here for all the future trekkers is that don't give up your trek before Zongri. I know it is very hard at some terrain, you also may lose your breath, but try not to give up before Zongri. Because Zongri is all the tough part you have, and after that from Thansing to Lamune and summit will be a real heaven and the beauty of nature to all the trekkers. By that time we also would have got used to the terrain and we will be able to trek a little more better than before. So we're heading to Thansing today. We stayed in Zongri, so everybody had a very good view of these mountains like Kim and all yesterday. And now we're going on a silent valley in Zongri. So this is easy compared to yesterday's. Yesterday's was a killer. But we all survived, luckily. So heading to Thansing. It's so peaceful, lot of silence today. So we're walking right from the valley till the top of the mountain. And we are getting near to this snow peaks. See this? So this is the Kasturi range and we're going near to the Mount Pandim.
It's massive.
Yes. A little short of breath,
But it's all fine.
that's worth it.
Yeah. We're gonna get a beautiful view of Mount Pandim. It's looking very nice. Yes. That's the range. Looks very beautiful. This is how the track where we have come from.
We came from the valley, we were below the mountain and we came all the way climbing this in the same track and moving near to the snow peaks.
Yes, take a look.
So there is no other beauty compared to this.
Yes. Now we are behind Mount Pandim. Hope
This
you can
one.
see that. Beautiful, massive
Behind.
mountain.
It's Mount Kabru. Behind is the Kanchenjunga. And this ये हम है. Yeah, that's hidden. These are the three sister mountains, looking identical.
Snow under the trees. Very rare to see like this. Go slow. Be very slow. The ice.
Nature is giving us different terrains,
Yes.
different treats, different challenges.
Come like this. So this is the way we are trekking downhill. Next to us there is ice,
See,
trees.
oh, the view of icy forest and icy mountains. Today's route is amazing. Really, all the efforts, yes, all
Very
the
beautiful.
efforts are worthwhile.
Yes.
So we are on the way to Thansing, and it's totally a full down where we are climbing. And then the most beautiful thing here is it's a most beautiful experience. We are having a very nice snowfall here. So it's amazing and really magnificent experience here on the way to Thansing. So the track is something like this, and here comes Karthik fully packed up. So how do you feel the snow?
Superb. Fresh snow.
Fresh snow, yes.
Let's go.
So you can see as he proceeds down, Whoa, go, go, go. So we're going full down.
अरे मिश्रा जी पानी पी रहे हैं तो ये लग रहा है कि शेर पानी पी रहे हैं। अरे मिश्रा जी एक ही बार इतनी सी प्यास लगी है। गुड, यस सोल्जर, कम ऑन, अगेन अगेन अगेन, वन मोर, ग्रेट। ट्रैक खूप सुंदर है, खूप मजा येते।
Kokchurang. We have reached Kokchurang and we are proceeding towards Tansing. Another 1 hour probably. So this is Kokchurang. The ice has begun to fill up. After a heavy snowfall, we have a mild sunlight which is beautiful. So this is the Prachu river, very huge river with all white boulders. Prachu river.